Have you ever wondered how to turn $30 into $8,374,571.77? Sounds like a dream, doesn't it? But what if it becomes your reality? Today, we'll explore a system that promises to do just that. Now imagine a ladder with 18 rungs. Each rung represents a level in this system, and each level comes with its own rewards. You start at the bottom, but with every step you take, you climb higher and higher. Each step brings you closer to that staggering figure of over $8 million. However, to climb this ladder, an entry fee of $199 is necessary. Consider it a small investment for a potential fortune. Once you've paid the entry fee, you're all set to start your journey up the ladder. Now, the key to moving up the levels and reaping the rewards is simple. The more people you bring into the system, the more money you make. It's a chain reaction. Your earnings multiply with every new member you add to the chain. So, let's break it down. You start at level 1, you've paid your entry fee, and you've brought in a few people. Now, the reward for this level might not be astronomical, but it's a start. It's also an incentive to keep going. As you progress to level 2, 3, and so forth, the rewards increase exponentially. By the time you reach the 18th level, the rewards are beyond anything you could have imagined when you started at level 1. In summary, this system operates on the principle of multiplication. Start with a small investment, bring in more people, and watch your earnings multiply. The potential earnings are enormous, with the final reward being over $8 million. Remember, it's a journey, and every journey begins with a single step. So take that first step, pay the entry fee, bring in more people, and start climbing the ladder. The rewards are there waiting for you. But also remember, honesty is key. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a system that requires dedication, persistence, and a good dose of honesty. If you're willing to put in the work, the rewards will come. So dare to dream big. Turn $30 into $8 million. It's possible, and the journey starts now.